A door is not a simple closure, but it's a project of safety and protection, a sign of refinement. Welcome to Breda Sistemi Industriali, the Italian company that reinvented the sectional door for houses and industries. The sectional door is revolutionary, making you save both space and time. Then you live and work better. Everything's laid up on its tracks, leaving full freedom of movement. With Breda, even the most complex projects find a solution. For this reason, we are market leaders since more than 30 years. Design is crucial for us, and so are the choice of coats, materials, finishes and colors. Technology, performance and aesthetics. Even for industrial doors, the Breda's recipe is unbeatable and allows the transit of operators and vehicles in total safety. A sustainable production from self-produced energy to recyclable wood packaging. Doors that open with fingerprints, protection sensors, color LEDs on the door coat. Our secret? Reliability, know-how, service. This is the real made in Italy. In Italy and worldwide, Breda Portoni is the best way to protect what you care for.